What's going on, guys? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the set of CJ's first cooking show. I'm CJ. This is, in fact, my very first cooking show. I'm a husband, I'm a father who loves to cook.
I'm a child, I'm a mother.
I'm a sinner, I'm a saint.
I do not feel ashamed.
I am also in the mood to make you some delicious food.
You are.
That's a
Quit
rhyme.
rhyming, I mean it.
Anybody want a peanut?
Anybody want a peanut?
So today I'm going to show you a take on one traditional recipe, the chopped cheese, right? We know that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Mexican to it and call it the Mexican chopped cheese. If you want to see this, you stay here.
Click the subscribe button.
Don't you go anywhere.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell, subscribe, like, all that good business. In the meantime, on this show, we ring the bell. We ring it. We bring, we cook, and we quote.
Apparently we sing. I just may.
What do you say?
Lay by the bay, I just may. What do you say?
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
So Mexican chop cheese. I decided I wanted Mexican food and I wanted chopped cheese. It's the best of both worlds.
It's the best of both worlds!
So I'm gonna go ahead and throw down some of this beef. It's called the chopped cheese, and we gotta chop up some beef.
I'm actually really excited about this.
Got some kosher salt and some coarse black pepper. And then, my friends, we are going to chop up some onions to put in this bad boy. So let's get to that as well. Dude, why are onions and beef so good, dude?
I don't know.
It's literally like the GOAT, man. Like, they are the go-to.
It's like the Tom Brady of flavors.
Yes. Speaking of fame, dude, beef and onions.
It really is the GOAT.
It is the greatest combination. Angus beef is delicious.
Wait, you're using Angus? You're not.
It's gotta be. It's gotta be Angus.
Hey CJ, did you know that Angus Young actually never graduated high school? He dropped out at the age of 15 and went to work as a typesetter at a men's magazine.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Okay.
There's still hope for me yet.
Hang on, something weird. You're not holding it.
Oh.
Oh, jeez.
I was like, what's going on here?
Maybe someone else didn't go to college.
Your mom goes to college.
Your mom goes to college.
Now, while our beef and onions are cooking, let's go ahead and get to our garnish. This is a quick one. We're gonna chop up some romaine lettuce. You could use iceberg if you want, but I feel like the texture of romaine is a lot better. Also, we're gonna do some red, delicious tomatoes. Slice those up.
Non-red.
Well, you could do green tomatoes, tomatillos.
Would you?
No,
Tomatillo is not a tomato.
which is why I said red tomatoes.
Got it.
Yeah, so we're gonna get all that done. Of course, this would not be a delicious Mexican chopped cheese without a small can of Hatch green chili. Let's open that up and get that ready to go. Speaking of beef, because I'm speaking about it, let's go check on our beef, and I believe it's time to add some cheese, man.
Oh, you're adding cheese now.
We're gonna add some cheese now.
Uh-huh.
Get this sucker nice and
I see.
ooey and gooey.
Ooey and Gooey.
Yeah,
Which,
be
oddly
very
enough, was
liberal.
your nickname in high school.
Ew. Goo! Two different movies.
Yeah.
Brilliant quotes.
True.
All right, so we're gonna get this cheese incorporated in here and start the melting process. Now,
Smells so good.
it really, really does. Here in just a second, once the cheese is all melted, we're gonna season this up a little bit more. But let's let that sit there, do its thing for a
sit there.
moment. We're gonna let it
Just
sit
sit
there.
there.
We're gonna have a little seat over there. Let's get to our buns, man.
Which buns are you using, man? Good,
So
good
I've got
joke.
some Martin's potato rolls, dude.
sliders.
These are gonna be delicious.
They're little rolls.
Oh, they're little sliders.
They're little footballs.
Yeah.
Gonna do a little bit of olive oil. Let's go down with these buns. We're gonna do a quick toast on these. You guys just hang out right there. And we're looking for a light toast, y'all. I'm notorious for getting over toasty, but a light toast. And of course, we'll come right back when those are nice and golden and hopefully not burnt black. All right, I think we might need, do you think we need more cheese?
Why not?
Why?
Pick them up.
Pick 'em up!
All right, let's do another helping. For this, my friends, we are going to be using the Blackstone Street Taco.
Boom.
So freaking money. We're gonna be
Sounds good.
definitely aggressive.
I'll have that.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
But you know the next part,
No?
green chili. That,
Ring chili? Because it's been a minute.
you know what? I would use green chili on every single episode of my show.
I was making a ring
It.
joke.
Okay.
Ring chili.
Here we go. Let's do it.
They're there. Bang.
This looks incredible. I'm so excited about this.
I agree with how.
I'm talking. Why are you making fun of me? Why are you always gonna make fun of me on camera?
I wasn't making fun of you.
What is this? You just
It
like to
wasn't make fun of you.
publicly display my
No.
insecurities and the things
No.
that I have to go home and I have to
No.
deal with at home on my own.
Time for honoring yourself will soon come to an end.
Time for honoring yourself will soon be at an end.
Are you not entertained?
Are you not entertained?
Let's go ahead and assemble this. We got a light toast on our bun.
Go ahead and assemble this. Again and again and again.
Again. And again. And again.
Let's get to some saucing, dude. We're gonna go down with just a little bit of sauce. The
Couldn't
next
have made
up,
your own or bought something nice.
Dude,
you had to
why?
go with Taco Bell.
Taco Bell is awesome.
You're
Don't,
dead to me.
dude. I don't care.
You're an Elysium. Because you are already dead.
Well, you are in Elysium. And you're already dead.
Okay, so we've got our lettuce, and then on top of our lettuce, we're gonna go down with some tomato, and then now it's time to grab our delicious beef. Gotta call an audible real quick. You guys stay there.
Whoa, whoa.
Okay. I figured I'd build over here.
Oh, clever.
Yes? All right.
All right.
That way, when we have our fall off, I've already got it pretty much plated, because I think that this is where all of this needs to be served, don't you?
Yeah, of course.
All right, cool. You don't want to use a spatula at this point because we've got some wicked mess going on here, and it
Dude.
would be hard to
It
negotiate
really
these.
is kind of like a sloppy Joe.
Yeah, well,
without
so
the
is
tomato.
so is a chopped cheese. Then.
That's a compliment. I'm not. Jeez, so sensitive.
Oh, don't be such a baby.
We're ready for step number 2.
Which is? What the?
We're gonna add some crisp,
What the hey?
some texture, if you will. We'll kind of give them just a dusting of some tortilla. So we get,
You are perpetually 9 years old.
dude. Food was best when you were 9.
No,
Yes,
food was not.
you
best when
didn't
I was
know any
9.
better, but it was awesome, right? It was just, you know, when you ate a bologna sandwich when you were 9, you just dealt with it, and it was good. But then you learned that bologna is disgusting, and you'd much rather.
Whoa, bologna's not disgusting.
Bologna is freaking awful. Ethan, can I please get a backup on that? Yeah, pretty bad.
Bologna?
Yeah.
Bologna's pretty great.
Nah, dude. All right, then we're gonna go with the.
But Taco Bell sauce is great.
It's a culinary experience that everyone should have.
Oddly enough, this was on the bottom shelf.
Hey, set that there. I like what you've done here.
I like what you've done here.
Boom, just like that. You've got your Mexican chop cheese post dust with a little tequila lime because it tastes good and it looks good. I kid you not, you could talk to my wife last night, laying on the couch watching Netflix, binging Netflix as we do, and I had an apostrophe.
An apostrophe?
Lightning struck my brain.
That must have hurt.
That must hurt.
How about I go for this little fella?
Late night
right?
while watching Gilmore Girls.
Previously on Gilmore Girls.
And?
Dude, it's perfect. So
Yeah?
soft, so fluffy, but we got some crunch. You didn't want to do a slider, but I've just
They're
been
cute.
I just really dig the single serving friends.
You are by far the most interesting single-serving friend I've ever met.
You tasting the Mexican flavors? We got the green chili and that gooey cheese.
People might complain about the lettuce and tomato. That was money.
Let me know though.
What'd you
Comments below.
No, don't. Everyone, please say no.
Let me know in
You're
the
better
comments
than
below.
this.
What
You're
do you
better
think
than this.
of Taco Bell
I'm not
hot
angry, I'm
sauce?
just disappointed.
You know what? I don't care about your disappointment.
I'm gonna leave it in the comments. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna say I'm disappointed in the comments.
Fine, do that. Story of your life. Disappointment. That it's time for CJ's Comments of the Week.
From impressive to obsessive, a little spice and the not so nice. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
All right, this is the segment of the show, ladies and gentlemen, where I get to highlight you, the viewers.
The lovely viewers. You write it.
We read it. So in that vein, that lane,
Train.
That automobile.
And those aren't pillows!
Those aren't pillows.
I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, and I read it. This is all birthed out of people's hatred for me.
Oh, don't say that.
No, that's really where it was birthed out of.
Oh, I know. I was just saying don't say it.
Oh, okay. From the top in no particular order, this one is actually a doozy. It's a threefer.
Okay.
So we won't clap until the end.
Okay.
It's kind of a sandwich.
We're going to clap? We might.
We might. So Kevin0201 said, I tried to watch this, but it was unwatchable. I love a horsing around as much as anybody, but this was just over the top.
Is this still the same comment?
Yeah, when every
Wow.
time I was trying to make sure I was understanding something, I went to some stupid clip
Yeah.
or some unrelated comment, etc., etc., etc.
Etc., etc.
Etc.
Just too hard to follow. I barely made it 10 minutes in before I shut it off. It looks interesting though. I'll try to find the recipe somewhere else. Right under that one, Adam says, keep doing your show exactly how you do it now,
Done.
brother. Your show is my favorite of all time,
Well-
of all the Blackstone crew.
Okay.
Friggin' hilarious,
I take it back.
guys.
Nope.
And the bun in this little sandwich right underneath that says, Grillmaster07. Nate, it's obvious that you've inspired CJ.
Thanks,
CJ, love your
buddy.
stuff, man.
Wow.
You are the best.
You know what? All three of y'all. 3 in a row.
This next one comes in from Jojo M.
Hey, Jojo.
This, I believe, was on your show recently. Jojo says, welcome to the Burt Bacon Club.
It's on my show?
Shall we call this Nate's first cooking show?
No.
So come on, everyone. It's Nathaniel's first cooking show.
2 things. 1, my first name is not Nathaniel, and my first cooking show was actually not very good. It was fine.
I've seen it.
You were on it. DiGiorno.
Brandon Guthrie says, was this the Blackstone version of Freaky Friday?
This is my show again?
Burnt bacon
You're
and
poaching.
a post dust
was
on
not
Nathan's
burnt.
show.
Wasn't burnt.
Whoa!
Extreme close up.
There we go.
Okay.
Thank you, Brandon.
All right.
This next one comes in from LX2NV. He says, cook, eat, repeat has gotten a lot better now that CJ
Thanks.
is allowed
No.
to talk it.
No more talking.
I'll ring it to that.
I
Grazie.
Grazie.
Okay, here we go. James Davis says, CJ, you're so money and you don't even know it.
You're so money and you don't even know.
It would make my son's day if you'd give a little ringage and bringage for him.
All right.
His name is Big Rick Brax, and he's my biggest fan.
What up, buddy?
Big Rick Brax.
What's happening?
We're ringing and bringing for you, my
Welcome
friend.
to the show.
Welcome to the show. Welcome to the family. Only Chevy says, it is worth listening to all the bull crappery for the recipes. I'll be making this one for my grandkids. Not a total waste of time. LOL.
Wow. Old people. So dangerous behind the wheel.
Senior citizens, although slow and dangerous behind the wheel, can still serve a purpose.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we wrap up CJ's favorite comments of the week, making our way to the end of the episode. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. If you've not seen it yet, right behind me, I've got this little board going on over
The
here.
OGB?
If you guys want to make your way to the OGB board, all you got to do is send us
We
stickers
got
and
TDs, we got Coast to Coast, Schmitty,
you could draw.
Todd Petty.
You could do a drawing. Oh, hello, my name is Simon, and I like to do drawings.
Hello, my name is Simon. Hi, I like to do drawings.
So if you want to be up there, be sure to send us something. In the meantime, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. That's where you can find a ton of recipes like this one and many more from all of our other chefs and hosts.
Boom.
Speaking of them, be sure to check out Nate's show, Todd's show, Betty's show,
GriddleNation.com.
Destination Delicious, Bruce. Go to
GriddleNation.com for that
GriddleNation.com
money.
to get all the swag, all the stickers, all the fun stuff that you would like. And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook
And we quote